piece of cheesecake? Oh! Toot booty! Oh, booty! Toot booty! Oh, booty! Toot booty! Oh, booty!
What do you mean, Goldie? What do you mean?
He's just being creative.
Just don't do it. If you do it, just... okay, I'm looking for my pot. Looking for my pot. I'm just looking for my pot. I've got my head.
Everyone back to normal. Toot booty! Oh, booty! Toot booty! Oh, booty! Toot booty! Oh, booty! Toot booty!
Wait, there's nothing here.
Chappy, I'm coming to say goodbye.
There is nothing here.
Right there. That's my son.
She's already lying. Yeah, feel back inside.
I want to kill Chappy.
Alright, where was everyone? I was upstairs. Well, I was in the kitchen. I was in the bedroom. Oh, she wasn't the imposter. Well, I'll go back to cooking. Well, I'm gonna go.
But that's okay, Bonnie.
Wait, how do you know one of your friends isn't the imposter?
I told you guys not to.
Right now. Uh-oh. Cookie, are you the imposter? No. Oh, Bobby!
Huh.
Where? Right here. And
Huh.
you totally did it because you didn't say anything. You didn't even report it.
No, I didn't report it because I didn't want anybody to think.
I'm gonna get you up, Bonnie.
Totally sus.
Yeah, it's pretty sus.
Very sus. And Cody, you were sitting here next to him the whole time, so you were talking to him, and you did it.
No, I got up to use the bathroom.
Oh, you just used the bathroom right now.
Yeah, and I just get back.
Wait,
But
actually no, I can check the camera.
Oh, come on, Ken.
All right, is everybody
I can check the camera.
No, it wasn't me, guys.
What would they be doing here?
He was the imposter?
Okay, I'm starting to feel
What
kind
do
of bad about this at this point. We just keep throwing people out into space.
Yeah, we're basically the imposters because we keep killing everybody.
Yeah, we probably killed more people than he has at this point.
Right.
Look, it's not gonna be hard to figure it out.
Ooh, quick, ooh.
Four.
They're coming in there.
Well, I think that's really something.
Oh.
Wait. What about you? What have you been doing?
I mean, come on, get
Really?
come out where you can.
It was fast.
Oh. Alright.
I'm getting back to cooking because I'm tired of this year. You're sus because you want to stay next to me because you want to kill me.
You can't be alone, so you can Okay, so there has been some cooking going on. So you wouldn't mind
You
that. Where is she?
will never be able to do it.
What's this vent? That'd be pretty smart. You came up with that on your own? I just came from the kitchen and you weren't in.
He's sus. It's him.
I'm voting him. Get him. Okay, so it's you.
No, it's you.
No, I know it's obviously not me because I know I didn't do it. There's nobody else left. There's no point in lying now.
I'm gonna do it.
I won.